Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make pizza videos. First, decide on your pizza recipe or technique. Gather all your ingredients and equipment, like a stand mixer or pizza stone, before you start. Plan your shots and the sequence of events. This preparation ensures a smooth filming process and a clear story for your viewers to follow. When filming, good lighting is crucial. Natural light near a window works wonderfully, or use soft artificial lights. Capture your process from various angles, getting close-ups of dough stretching or cheese melting. A steady camera, perhaps on a tripod, makes a huge difference for professional-looking shots. Aim for clear, well-lit visuals. Clear audio is just as important as good visuals. Try to minimize background noise when recording your voice. Narrate your steps, explaining what you are doing and why, to guide your audience. Finally, present your finished pizza beautifully. A slow pan or a close-up shot of a slice being pulled can make it truly irresistible. Now for editing. Trim your clips, add transitions, and ensure your video flows smoothly from start to finish. Consider adding some upbeat or relaxing background music to enhance the viewing experience. Once your masterpiece is complete, share it on platforms like YouTube or Instagram to inspire others to make their own delicious pizzas.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.